Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to get fit without turning your home into a gym, foldable treadmills are a game changer. They're compact, easy to store, and perfect for small spaces. Today, we're diving into the best foldable treadmills for 2025, based on performance, features, and value. I'll share our top picks to help you make the right choice for your fitness goals. First up is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. This beast folds up neatly and offers a 14-inch touchscreen with IFIT integration for interactive workouts. It's got a powerful motor that handles speeds up to 12 miles per hour, and the auto incline feature makes hills feel real. Pros: it's durable and packed with tech. Cons: it's on the pricier side, around $2,500, so it's best for serious runners. If you're just starting out, the Proform Carbon T10 is a solid alternative at about $1,000. It folds easily, has a 10-inch display, and Bluetooth connectivity for your music. It's user-friendly with preset workouts, but the motor isn't as robust for heavy use. Next, for budget-conscious folks, the Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride T4400 is a steal at under $500. It's lightweight, folds flat, and has a simple LED display with basic speed and incline options. Great for walking or light jogging, but it might not hold up for intense sessions. Lastly, the Bowflex Treadmill 10 stands out for its space-saving design and quick fold mechanism. Priced around $2,000, it boasts a 22-inch interactive screen, app integration, and speeds up to 12.5 miles per hour. The downside? It's heavier, so moving it around requires some effort. In summary, the best foldable treadmill depends on your budget and needs, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Check out current deals and read user reviews before buying. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more fitness tips. What's your go-to home workout gear? Let me know in the comments below.